If someone asked me if they should spend the time to go to Knox Class, it'd be a hard 100% recommendation. The Knox classes dive deep into applications. So much in our industry is about not just buying the equipment, but can you use it effectively? And the Knox class brings subject matter experts, great folks from local companies together that can really help you use that piece of equipment effectively and provide a more competitive solution to your customers. Over the years in Knox classes, we've learned just about anything relevant to manufacture in the Dayton, Ohio area. We've learned from some of the best cutting tool companies on how to optimize tool life. We've learned from experts in machine probing, writing macros, using macros effectively, and incredible add-on technologies like crash avoidance, collision avoidance that preserve your investment for years to come.
The Knox classes are very great classes, very informational, very polite people, super helpful, great people to be around and to network with.
My first class that I've attended at Knox was a very good experience for me. I had a lot of good information that I took away. Hopefully I can implement within our facility, increase production and decrease maintenance costs, and I'm looking forward to being able to attend more classes in the future.
It's nice to go to a place and attend a class, where they've offered something that's truly informative. It gives you more information about the products, the services they have, and whatever we've needed, Knox service engineers have always been able to provide it for us.